BluntCut MetalWorks, October 28, 2021. This is the Magnacut chopper I tested on the previous video, and so anyway, I fixed the edge and put 1200 grit diamond water stone finish on it at 1200. I mean, this is 12 DPS. Anyway, the objective is start an edge, cut in phonebook. After chopping the 2x4 here, and I will do it twice, and if it's still able to slide phonebook without tearing, then it's a success. Otherwise, fail. Now the edge look like it's got crushed a little bit in terms of ripple and roll and like that. It's not ugly like yesterday, even though the job is not ideal. I can see the edge here, I can feel it, the deflection here. Not making it very well. The amount of roll is quite substantial, but I would say it's marginal, but I will take a close look. I think the roll is a lot bigger. With the edge, after chopping the 2x4 twice, the thickness behind the edge is thin. It's you can see here 6,000, and of course I thin out using the here's the grinding of the bevel, and here is for the scale. And there are a lot of, this edge barely passed cut in phonebook paper, because you can see there are a lot of deformation. These are roll. This all suspecting right here, it looked like a fracture, but actually not, because I did pinpoint all the big something suspect as if a fracture. Then I look from one side, and then I rotate it slowly under the loop there, and look at the apex, and then look at the other side. And the other side actually look like for this one, for example here, it look like this side, like this. It's really deceptive. But the fact that some of these deformation here is substantial here without fracture, there's no reason for this to be fractured. You can see the reference here. So this is a big bend. And anyway, so for this time, I mean, definitely there is no weirdness on the how this Magnacut performed. As I expected, the edge strength, even though 64 Rockwell, is not enough to resist deflection and then end up with ripple and roll here. Compared to, let's say, a 4V. The 4V did get a little ripple, but overall the apex did not deform like this, so it's able to slide the phonebook paper smoothly. The thing is, I mean, you want the balance, right? Anyway, so it's able to do the task, to accomplish the task, without, while the apex strong enough to resist the deflection or steering. But for this edge, I mean, the only way to fix this edge right now is whatever the amount of bend on one side, well, that means I have to flatten the apex. And then you have to find a center line again. But again, also not just center line, but also after, and then you put a new sharpening bevel on it. But if there you have an uneven, I mean, say scalloping, then it's not good. But anyway, so sometimes, I mean, on top of the toughness-wise, what people are looking for is to avoid giant half-moon chip, for example. But other than that, you want the edge to be strong enough. And for like this, yeah, like this, that means, it means that the edge is not strong enough at 12 dps. So if you add volume, steel volume, so increase the bevel to, say, 15 degrees per side, then yes, it will do it. But however, if you have harder wood than 2x4, then yeah, the edge will again collapse. I mean, not collapse, meaning that deform. Thanks for watching.